Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy watching and want more, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple, helpful, and easy to understand. Let's jump in.
iCloud Mail is a free email service provided by Apple for anyone with an Apple ID. When you sign up, you get an email address that ends in @iCloud.com. This service works seamlessly across all your Apple devices like your iPhone, iPad, and Mac computer. One of the best things about iCloud Mail is that it stays in sync everywhere. If you read an email on your phone, it shows as read on your laptop instantly. It uses your total iCloud storage space to save messages and attachments. This means your emails share space with your photos and phone backups. You can access your inbox through the Mail app or by logging into the iCloud website from any browser. Apple focuses heavily on privacy with this service. There are no third-party ads cluttering your inbox. It also includes a feature called Hide My Email. This lets you create random addresses to keep your personal one private. You can also set up custom email domains if you want a more professional look. Setting it up is easy. You just go to your settings and toggle the mail switch to on. It handles spam very well by filtering out junk before it reaches you. You can organize your messages using folders or flags to stay productive. It is a reliable choice for anyone already using the Apple ecosystem. The interface is clean, simple, and easy to navigate for beginners. Whether you are sending a quick note or a large file, iCloud Mail keeps your communication secure across all your favorite Apple devices. It is built for daily life.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.